Digital is absolutely critical in all we're doing in Vodacom right now. In fact, we've actually coined a phrase which is digital at the core. It means alignment of all our channels, our retail channels, our call center, our online channel as well. It means that we are going to push our customers quite hard to self-serve. The first stage was to bridge two channels, and that was our online channel with our call center channel. We did that using the proactive chat platform. We had a theory at the time, which proved to be correct, was that if we could catch them at a kind of key moment of decision and prompt them with some information that could allay a concern or answer some ambiguity in the process, they would probably complete the sale, and that's certainly been the case. It has been quite a challenge to bring the contact center platform and the digital platform together. Organizationally, we still run as two separate entities, which means we've got two different management teams, different sets of priorities, two different budgets, but we've had to work really hard to find alignments, and this is one of the examples of where we've managed to get that right. So ultimately, where we want to end up is in a true omni-channel place where it doesn't matter which channel you start on and which channel you complete your journey on, you're going to get a consistent Vodacom experience. You're not going to have to repeat your information. We have a 3-year transformation program from a customer care side. Our digital roadmaps have to line up with that, and we are developing our code and our systems to meet where we want to be. We are in the very early stages of becoming truly omni-channel. I think you'll see certainly in the next 9 months an aggressive rollout of our omni-channel initiatives and platforms into our retail stores. So there's a lot of focus on getting what we've done in the call center and online space enabled into the physical channel to try and take some of the pressure off what our physical channels are feeling, and to try and enhance our customer experience in there. We have some pretty aggressive timelines and believe we're going to meet them. Part of our digital transformation in the contact center space was to better manage the online leads we were getting from our clients. We've done it in quite a simple way really, but it's been very effective. We now rank our leads in kind of 3 buckets: high, medium and low, and we put different priorities on those leads. So the higher value leads get a quicker turnaround than say the lower value ones. What this has done is that we've had a far better hit rate. We call our potentially high value customers more quickly, the conversion ratio is a lot better, and the customer satisfaction has improved. But it didn't just end there. We've actually, by just being a bit more clever with our overall lead management workflow planning, have managed to get our total turnaround time for our basket of leads a lot better than it was, and overall the yield on that basket of leads has gone up quite considerably. Whereas if we get back to you within a shorter time, say 30 minutes, the contactability on that lead is a whole lot higher, and IWD has really helped us in that regard. Because we've got better turnaround times and service level agreements in place, our contactability is quicker, therefore our time decay is a whole lot better than it was, and we're getting those conversions from there. I think the themes of customer experience, digital, omni-channel, I think they all really are blurring into one overall program of improved customer experience, whether it's on the sales side or the service side. If we are to get digital right, or if we're to unlock the full value of what digital can mean, it cannot but move us into a better space. The challenges behind that is we're going to have to get beyond our silo thinking. We're going to have to stop seeing our channels as completely different businesses and really see them as different elements of the same business with the same kind of core scaffolding holding it all together. Genesis truly gets digital, which truly enables decent customer experience. We see Genesis as a key partner to what we're trying to do in digital, and we hope that the successes we've had to date can be continued into the future.